Hi, Janine here from Janine's Gluten-Free Kitchen, and today we're going to be making hazelnut macaroons, a delicious, chewy on the inside, crunchy on the outside, traditional German cookie that is beautiful. Stay tuned. So let's get started. We have our trusty mixer, and to that I am going to add 4 egg whites, and I'm using large eggs. And what we're going to do is whip that into a frothy hard peak. Now this is a soft peak. I'll just show you the difference. It's still quite a soft sort of fluffiness. We want it a little bit more than that, because what's going to happen is as we fold our meal into it, we want it to hold its shape. So we're going to keep whisking a bit more.
Whip it good.
These egg whites. Beautiful. Do you think that might be a little bit harder? Yes. Perfect. So obviously, you know, when you better take this off. When you reach a harder peak, the egg whites are always a much silkier consistency, as well as being quite hard peak. I still need this because we've got to put our sweetener in. All right, we've got our hard peak. Now we've got a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon. And we also have our sweetener, which is maple syrup, and I've got ½ a cup. So I'm going to start that first and then slowly add the maple syrup. We don't want to overdo it, and doing that will soften the egg whites a bit more. So that's all our egg whites nice and fluffy and sweetened, and we've got vanilla, and now we've got our hazelnut meal that we're going to gently fold in. So we're just going to add in about 1/3 at a time, and just very gently fold that in, because you don't want to whip and beat the air out. Third, and don't forget that all the ingredients are in the description of this video. Great, and then the last third. Perfect. Still nice and fluffy and aerated. You don't want to over mix it either. I'm just making sure that everything's from the bottom, because these bowls are notorious for keeping stuff at the bottom unmixed. All right, that's it. Let's put them on our trays. And what have I got here? Oh, it's an ice cream scoop. That's something different. I love my ice cream scoops. Such a great way to get that portion control. And you can do this with all sorts of different nut meals. can do it with pistachios, almonds. You don't want to have one odd size one, so I'm just going to pinch a bit from each. Because otherwise what will happen is the little one will get burnt while the other ones get cooked, or the big ones will be raw when the little one's ready. So we don't want that. So I'm going to even them up. That looks pretty good. All right, let's get a fork and we'll give that just a little bit of a squish down. And we want to decorate them with just a little hazelnut at the top. Roasted hazelnuts or raw, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to pop one on top to make it look cute. I've got my oven preheated to 150 degrees and we're going to cook that now for 15 minutes. The idea is a slower oven when you're working with a meringue type product, because you want to dry it out a little bit more rather than have it raw on the inside and cooked on the outside. These need the sort of slower heat to get right in and dry them out a little bit. So you're going to pop them in for 50 minutes. All right, hey guys, we are back and our hazelnut macaroons have been sitting for about 10 minutes cooling down. And if I break into them, the outside is super crispy, meringue, and the inside is soft and fluffy. Oh, good. Love hazelnuts. Love that hazelnut taste. Not overly sweet, but beautiful with a cup of tea. And I think we need to make one of those. So, let's put these on our plate. There we have it, hazelnut macaroons. Not to be confused with macarons, which are little sweet, very smooth with cream in the center. These are macaroons. Hazelnut. Have a go. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment. And subscribe. And hit the bell to make sure you don't miss any of these awesome videos. Hope you've enjoyed that, guys. I will see you next time. Bye. What would it be just in case? It was awesome. Oh. Want to taste it? You like it? Yeah. They're really good.